সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, এসএসসি গ্রেড 2022 আমাদের সরকার নির্ধারিত অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট চতুর্থ সপ্তাহের ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নিয়ে আমি আজ আলোচনা করব। এখানে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটির শিরোনাম হলো পিপলস অ্যাওয়ারনেস টু ফাইট এগেইনস্ট কোভিড-19 ইন বাংলাদেশ। এই বিষয়ে কয়েকটি প্রশ্ন দেওয়া আছে। ওই প্রশ্নের আলোকে 300 ওয়ার্ডের একটি এসে বা রচনা লিখতে বলা হয়েছে। প্রশ্নগুলো উদ্দীপকে দেয়া আছে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট প্রশ্নটিতে। প্রশ্নগুলো তোমরা দেখে নিবে। আসো প্রত্যেকটা ওই হেডিং এ আমি প্রশ্নগুলো ইউজ করেছি। আসো আমরা সরাসরি উত্তরে চলে যাই। শিরোনাম People's Awareness to Fight Against COVID-19 in Bangladesh. Introduction. COVID-19 is a contagious disease. If a person comes in contact with another person who is attacked with COVID-19, he may be attacked with this fatal disease even if a person comes within 1 meter of a COVID patient may be attacked with this disease. This disease runs a pace and has spread throughout the world. It has spread into all the countries of 7 continents. So, awareness is a must to prevent this disease. আসো সেকেন্ড প্যারায় যাই। সেকেন্ড প্যারা হলো people's behavior in public places and in public transport. People should maintain a special social distance to prevent COVID-19, but they are not aware of the fact. They come in contact with other people and they are indifferent to the risk of being attacked with the disease. However, our country is very populous. Here many people live in slums. They are unable to maintain social distance. Again, many people use public transport to move from one place to another. Here there is dearth of public transport, so people have to get on the overcrowded public transports, which increases the possibility of being attacked with COVID-19. আসো থার্ড প্যারা, how much social distance people maintain during the lockdown due to COVID-19. Bangladesh is not only an overpopulated country but also one of the poorest countries in the world. Here poor people are illiterate. They are not conscious of the rules of health and hygiene. Again, poor section of people has to go out in search of work to earn money. The rickshaw pullers and many laborers live from hand to mouth. During lockdown, their misery is no more bounds. If the rich and the government do not extend their helping hand to the helpless, they have to starve and go to bed without food. Therefore, finding no other alternative, the poor section of people goes out and work to feed himself, to feed their unfed children. That is why they violate lockdown and can't maintain social distance. Okay, আসো next প্যারা আমরা শুরু করি people's behavior while moving from one place to another during festivals. To control COVID-19, the government has announced lockdown and shutdown countrywide. The government has imposed ban on flying all kinds of public transport. But during religious festivals, people go to village home to visit their near and dear ones. Since public transports are not available, people have to use alternate transports. They have to spend much money and get on overcrowded transport. So, purpose of lockdown is disrupted health oil. Why they do that? They do so because they do not know the importance of lockdown. Many people think that they will not be altered to this disease. On the other hand, male persons of the family go out to buy something and to support the family. Impact of not maintaining lockdown. COVID-19 has created a far-reaching impact on the life and economy of the country. COVID situation goes out of control, industries will be state. Exporting of goods will be possible. Other countries will not receive our manpower, will not get remittance. Our economic condition will be worsening. Our responsibility, we must be conscious, we must make other people conscious about the importance of lockdown. If one person is attacked with COVID-19, the whole family may be attacked. They have to spend a huge sum of money to get treatment again. Death rate due to COVID is also high. One person's negligence may destroy one family, even a country, and then a whole nation. So we must raise awareness among people so that they wear masks, get vaccine, avoid overcrowded place, and maintain social distance. Instead of going to bank, people may use ATM card to avoid marketplace. People can take the help of online shopping. Instead of going to the fair place, they can say they are at home. Taking all these steps, we can stay safe and save others' life and finally save our country from this pandemic situation. Conclusion: coronavirus spreads when a healthy person comes in contact with a COVID patient. So, social distance is the only way to remain safe. Okay, আশা করি তোমরা আমার এই লেকচারটি পছন্দ করবে এবং যদি আমার এই লেকচারটি পছন্দ করো তাহলে আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলকে সত্যি লাইক দাও, সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এবং বেল আইকন ক্লিক করে রাখো যাতে আমি প্রতি সপ্তাহেই তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টগুলো দিই এবং সাথে সাথে তোমরা পেয়ে যাও। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।